Hello and welcome to the official PopCut website. Whether you're a longtime fan of collectible figures or just beginning to explore this exciting world, we're thrilled to have you here. PopCut isn't just about selling unique collectibles. It's about offering an experience one that combines passion, community, and purpose. In the next few minutes, I'll guide you.
When you first arrive at PopCut, you're immediately greeted by our hero section. A striking image that embodies our brand, this is where we showcase our top collectible items. It's vibrant, it's clean, and it's designed to make you feel like you've entered a world of creative passion, whether you are here for our limited edition items or just exploring. We've made sure that everything you need is just one click away.
Next.
So let's dive into the fan favorite section, where we feature the most loved and sought after items in our collection. From Echo to Insight, these are the figures that our community has fallen in love with. Each item has been carefully selected for its unique design, craftsmanship, and appeal, and the best part, you can view them right here in the fan favorite section, making it easier than ever to find something that speaks to you. Next.
At PopCut, we don't just want to sell you something. We want to connect with you. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram to stay updated with the latest releases, behind the scenes look, and exclusive promotion. These platforms are not just for updates, they're a place to interact, share your thoughts, and become part of PopCut community.
These are the buttons for Facebook and Instagram. Just one button away, then you'll be led to our page in Facebook and Instagram. Next, our journey started with something simple, a love for collectibles and a shared passion for cats. We quickly realized that we wanted to do more. They wanted to do more than just offer cool products. PopCat was born from the idea that they could brighten people's lives through the things they collect. What started a small venture grew into something bigger, larger, a way for us to connect, for them to connect with others and make a positive impact in the world.
But their mission doesn't stop at collectibles. They believe in giving back to the community. That's why they use their platform to not only provide joy to collectors but also help stray cats survive on the streets. With every purchase made, you're not just adding to your collection, you're also contributing to a cause that helps provide food, vitamins, and care for these animals.
This is the section of the story of the PopCat. This is where it all began, from these stray cats to a PopCat store.
Looking to the future, they've created the 2025 collection, a series of exclusive items that are perfect for both seasoned collectors and newcomers, from wandering to belonging. These pieces are designed to resonate with collectors who values artistry, quality, and uniqueness. Get ready to discover the next big thing in the collectible world.
For more discerning collector, they also have the Cloth series, a series of exclusive items that are perfect for both seasoned collectors and newcomers. From wandering to belonging, from wandering to belonging, they also have features like yin yang, kung fu, and terracotta. If 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 you're looking for something that speaks to your love for art, history, or culture, these pieces are sure to leave an impression.
So, here at PopCat, They value your experience, and if you ever have questions or need help, don't hesitate to reach out. Their Our contact us page is there to assist you. Whether you need help with an order, have product questions, or just want to say hello, we believe in building lasting relationships with our customers and are always happy to help out.
Hello. Now, this is our full over website for PopCut. This is the home where the fan favorites and the Facebook and Instagram located. The story of how PopCut is created. The futures where the 2025 promo and cloth series is located. And the contact where you can get in touch. Now, thank you for taking the time to tour the PopCut with us. We hope you've discovered something that excites you and that now that you're part of our growing community of collectors, don't forget to follow us on social media. Don't forget to follow PopCut on social media and sign up for newsletter to stay updated on new arrivals and exclusive deals. We can't wait to have you join the PopCut family.
Thank you.
Thank you.